Rinse and repeat. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, rinse and repeat. You might have heard it in various contexts, but do you know what it truly means? Let's explore this phrase together and understand its usage in everyday English. Stay tuned. The phrase, rinse and repeat, originally comes from instructions often found on shampoo bottles. It means to rinse your hair and then repeat the shampooing process. This literal meaning is easy to understand. Wash, rinse, and do it again. But how did it become a popular phrase in everyday language? Let's find out. In a broader, figurative sense, rinse and repeat refers to the idea of doing something over and over again. It's often used to suggest a repetitive process or a routine that should be followed consistently. For example, if someone says, "Just practice every day, rinse and repeat," they mean you should continuously practice to improve. Let's see some common examples of how rinse and repeat is used. 1. In work, we compile the reports, send them for review, and then rinse and repeat every month. 2. In learning, learn a new word, use it in a sentence, and rinse and repeat to expand your vocabulary. 3. In fitness, do 10 push-ups, rest for a minute, and then rinse and repeat. Understanding these examples helps in grasping the versatility of the phrase in different contexts. It's important to note that rinse and repeat is sometimes used humorously or sarcastically, especially if the task is monotonous. However, it's not inherently negative or positive. It depends on the context. Be aware of these nuances when you encounter or use the phrase. So, that's all about the phrase, rinse and repeat. It's a simple yet powerful expression that has transcended from shampoo bottles to everyday language. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is all about practice. Learn something new, use it, and then rinse and repeat.